Kitchen with Kristen, and fall is officially upon us, so you know what that means. It is pumpkin spice season. Yes. And I'm so excited for this video because we are combining two of my favorite things, pumpkin spice and breakfast foods. Yes, that's right, we are making pumpkin spice French toast. So let's not wait any longer, let's get into it. I would do this in a shallow bowl so that you'll be able to dredge your bread when you're ready. So mix that all up. When that's all nice and incorporated, we're ready to dredge our bread. We are using this 647 bread. You can also use Sara 45 calorie bread. This is amazing bread, everyone. For one slice, it's 40 calories. Half a gram of fat, 13 grams of carbs, and 2 protein. Amazing macros. So we're gonna spray our pan here. Get it on to about medium high. Actually, let's do it on medium. And then we're going to get our first piece of bread in the egg mixture. Really soak it in there. Flip it a few times to make sure that the bread is all soaked through. And once it's soaked, we'll put it in the pan. And we'll cook that until it is cooked on the one side. We're gonna get our next slice of bread, soaking and dredging. Another quick spray, and we'll get our next one in. And one serving is going to be 3 pieces of bread, so I'm going to do 1 more piece of bread in this egg batter, and then we'll be good. Would you believe it that this entire stack is under 250 calories? 250 calories of delicious goodness. And we'll put the exact macros up on the screen afterwards, but let me just get into this. It's so good. Seriously, this is one of my favorite recipes. It's so moist in there, like normal French toast that you get, and it has pumpkin spice in it. You cannot beat it. If you have some extra carbs, throw on some fruit on there or a little sugar-free syrup if you want to, and so good. Definitely try this one out.